The Tengboche Monastery, a revered sanctuary in the heart of Nepal's Khumbu region, is perched high above the world, surrounded by the Himalayan grandeur. Lama Gulu founded this spiritual haven in the year 1916, and it has a close relationship with its parent monastery, Tibet's Rongbuk Monastery. It has served as the spiritual epicenter for the Sherpa community for over a century. Tengboche Monastery, located at an impressive altitude of 3,867 meters in the Sagarmatha National Park, provides breathtaking views of iconic peaks such as Everest, Nuptse, Lhotse, Amadablam, and Thamzerku. Unfortunately, the monastery suffered severe damage along the way. The monastery was devastated by the 1934 earthquake, which occurred simultaneously with Lama Gulu's death. Nevertheless, under the guidance of his successor, Umzi Gelden, and with assistance from Nawang Tenzin Norbu, the monastery was reconstructed with contributions from skilled artisans, while renowned artist Kappa Kalden embellished it with breathtaking murals. However, the monastery's endurance was tested once more in 1989, when a catastrophic fire ravaged the monastery, destroying invaluable artifacts, scriptures, statues, and intricate wood carvings. The reconstruction effort, led by the revered Nawang Tenzin Zangpo, received significant support from local communities and organizations, including the Sir Edmund Hillary and Himalayan Trust and the American Himalayan Foundation. Since its reconsecration in 1993, the monastery has undergone extensive restoration efforts, such as the refurbishment of the Guru Rinpoche's sacred chamber in 2008 and the reconstruction of the entrance gate, which was funded by the Greater Himalayan Foundation. The three-story monastery, built in the traditional Tibetan architectural style, is a stone masonry marvel with spacious courtyards for monks to conduct religious activities. Its walls are adorned with intricate wood carvings and vibrant murals depicting Buddhist deities and mandalas. The prayer hall, or dokang, contains a towering statue of Shakyamuni Buddha flanked by Manjushri, the deity of wisdom, and Maitreya, the future Buddha. Other notable statues include the founder of Tibetan Buddhism, Guru Padmasambhava. The Mani Rimdu festival, held annually in November, is a major highlight at Tengboche Monastery. This vibrant celebration serves as a spiritual focal point for the Sherpa community, with monks performing profound masked dances. The monastery, a popular stopover on the Everest base camp trek, offers spectacular views of the surrounding Himalayan peaks. It also has a small museum that houses artifacts from Sherpa culture and Buddhism. Tengboche Monastery honors the Sherpa heritage by preserving ancient teachings and customs against the majestic Himalayan backdrop. A visit to the Tengboche Monastery in the heart of the Everest region promises to be a rewarding experience for mountaineers, trekkers, and spiritual seekers.